Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm Harbor local and long-distance movers near me. We not only help you with long-distance moving, but we also provide you with many other services. Whether you just need transportation for your things or you need a full-service moving company, we are here to help you. Here are some of the services we can provide for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Deciding to hire a Palm Harbor moving company isn't an easy decision. You have to weigh the cost and the benefits. When you look at the benefits, such as the time you will save, it can be easy to justify the cost. You will also allow a crew of movers to handle all the heavy lifting, which saves you from the potential of injury. With the right professional movers, such as 3 Movers, you'll be able to move much faster. Our team can handle even a large household move in just a single day, while it could take you an entire week to pack up, load the truck, and move to your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Harbor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.